Okay, here is the multi-purpose, multi-function box. Here we go. The first layer, normal one. Just open. Here is you can put the tools. Here we can fix the EBA form. Okay, we have different function for this layer. You can slide this like, okay, go here, fold it, completely foldable. You put here, you work, and then you can make it close. Or you want to do something more? Okay, maybe only half. You can rest, you can use it. Or if you want to just take out, okay, then take out this one, keep it here. Very simple, different layer but can be assembled together. Just go like this, easy way. Keep it, close it. Okay, first layer. Cut it.